fun. Daddy. And now just juggling. Daddy, you try. You try. Cut something out of here. The last scratch.
Hi.
You
gotta say hi everyone.
Okay.
It's hard for me. All right, you hold the camera. Hold on one. Oh, there's a lion. The lion is up there now at the circus. Oh yeah. I cut this and it's 2. Wow. Pretty cool, buddy.
Okay, here. Let me eat my friend. See?
Nice. And is the lion a nice lion or see I made 2?
Yeah. I know. Yeah, it's my friend. And more juggling. What? I messed up.
You bite your tongue like I do, buddy. It's hard to do without biting your tongue, right?
You're never supposed to drop the one in the hand.
Well, you can't hit the crowd. You can't hit the people in the crowd.
Hey, I got a nice.
That's good, buddy.
Spot.
Looks like you do have a comfortable spot. You got a seat on the bike. Nice.
Or this couch. Or this table.
Nice. You got the best seat at the circus.